I wanted to chat with you today about hosting a 31 party. Have you ever hosted one? Well, we have different ways that you can host parties. You can host in-person parties, especially if you're local to me. You can do online parties that could be over, on Facebook, or you could just share your ordering link that I give you. You could also do fundraisers. We do texting parties. I do a 15-minute Facebook messenger party, which is a lot of fun, super quick, fast paced, kind of like a one and done type thing. And there's just lots of ways to get you some hostess rewards, and that's what I want to share with you today is some of our hostess rewards. The what is hosting and the benefits of hosting and all that kind of information. I'm going to show you some of the hostess exclusives that are available this winter. So when you host a party, start earning hostess rewards, your party link has to be at least $200, which is about 4 to 5 average orders of about $50 to $60. If you have 4 or 5 friends that want to place an average order, then you're going to get some hostess rewards, which is pretty cool. So at that $200 level is where you earn $25 in free credits, one half price item, one hostess exclusive, and that's the hostess exclusives back here I'm going to share with you in just a second. At that $600 level is where you earn $100 in free credits, you earn 2 half price items, 2 hostess exclusives, and then you earn that hostess special. So as you can see, each level is $100. So the more you go up, the more hostess rewards that you earn. At the $1,200 level is where the gates open wide, and you get $250 in free credits. It's like free credits is like a shopping spree. You get 3 half price items, 3 free hostess exclusives, and you still have that hostess special. So each month the hostess special will change. So I always really strive with my hostesses to get to that $600 level, and then when we get there, we are going to just keep pushing to get you to that $1,200 level to where you can really get a ton of rewards, and that is what I love. A lot of my hostess of the month clubs, they reach that $1,200 level. So they have their base orders from their club members, and then they have parties on top of that, and then they really boost their party rewards. And we'll talk about hostess of the month clubs in the next couple of videos, because I really want to book some more of those to give you guys some more rewards. They're really awesome. If you ask any of my club members, they will tell you that they love the clubs. Anyways, so at the $200 level is where you earn a hostess exclusive. So you can get it at the discounted hostess price. But at that $1,200 level is where you get it for free. But I want to share with you what they are, okay? So the first one, this is for winter 2020. So these are all brand new hostess exclusives. The first one is the Close to Home Lazy Susan. I love this. It is huge, you guys. I mean, compared to my face, like, it's huge. So this is part of our Close to Home collection, and as you guys know, this is mango wood that comes from India, so no piece is exactly the same. It's going to come in natural wood, which is what mine is, or we have a gray washed wood. So depending on the tones of your home, if you're more a white and a gray toned house, you'll definitely want that gray washed wood. This is the natural, because as you can tell, we have a lot of wood in our home. We live in the North Georgia mountains, so we're kind of like that cabin feel here. But anyways, you can personalize all of our hostess exclusives for free. So if you earn a hostess exclusive, it gets personalized for free. So that's fun to pick your design as well. So mine says thankful, grateful, and blessed. I'm going to flip it over just so you can see. It has these little pads here so it doesn't scratch your table, and then the wheel to turn. So as you can see, like the Lazy Susan turns. I love this upstairs in my home. It's such a beautiful addition to our dining room table. Okay. Move that over. I had to set that over there because I definitely don't want it to fall. All right, the next one that I want to share with you guys, this is the large felt storage tote. So as you probably know, we have a whole felt line that we introduced in this winter catalog, and it has been a huge hit. I was a little iffy at first. I'm like, felt, really? But oh my gosh, this collection is amazing. It's thick, it's sturdy, it's not flimsy. It's a really, really nice collection. So this is the large felt storage tote. So like, I have a picture on my business page or on my face, I don't know where you're looking, but on my and in my customer group too, of my little girl inside of this. She's 4, and I could fit 2 of her actually in here. It's that big. It's really hard to show you guys size comparison, but it's absolutely huge on the inside. Like, I have a blanket here. me just share with you one of our blankets. Like, it doesn't even take up like any room hardly in here. Like, it's huge. This would be great to store toys in here. It'd be great for on your fireplace with like kindling wood and firewood, kind of like standing up tall. Really so many uses for this. So this will come in the, this is the graphite print, and it will also come in the light gray felt. And then they will both have this chestnut thread or chestnut distressed pebble feel right here. And so then you can personalize here. This is our new raised embroidery. So I'm going to kind of turn this to the side. It's kind of hard to see, but this is really, really raised up. It's thick, very, very thick personalization. And then this isn't actually in tote, but you could definitely do it in that chestnut thread to match here, and even black would look very nice on here as well. So this is called the large felt storage tote. Is only available to hostesses. So all these products that I'm sharing with you in this video are only available to hostesses. Customers cannot get their hands on them, only our hostesses, because we love to celebrate, encourage, and reward our hostesses for sure for hosting with us, because you're helping us consultants, you're helping us keep our business going. You're introducing us to your friends and your family, and you're allowing us to be in front of your friends and your family, and we're truly grateful. Okay, the next one is the Fold and File Deluxe. So you're like, okay, this thing looks boring. What are you talking about? You've got handles here, and then you've got a handle here, and then there's also handles right here in the middle. So what this, so you can hold it, just like this if you want to. All right, so what this does, here's my personalization. It says this and that. The and sign is in navy, and this is in taupe. So what you do is you can pull these handles on the side, and you open this thing up. So you have 3 separate compartments. Let me fold down the bottoms. So you have 3 separate compartments here to store things. So our fold and file will actually fit right here in this middle section. So you can use this as like a mobile office if you need to. Teachers, if you're going classroom to classroom, you know, with all your files and things, this may be an option for you to carry things. You even have this mesh pocket back here if you need to keep pens and highlighters, calculators. This is also great for realtors who are taking files to and from, you know, even just working. I mean, this is just a great, even if you are a crafter, you could use this for to keep your crafting things organized. If you knit, if you use yarn all the time, I mean, this is just like fantastic. A great, great product. So this is the Fold and File Deluxe. It comes in several different prints. All right, and then the last tangible thing that I have for you guys, this is the organizing zip case. So this is brand new too. This is like a little organizing zip case that you can use when you travel. You can slide it down inside of another bag, however you'd like to use it. It's going to come in the blush print and this chestnut. So this, of course, is the chestnut thread. I embroidered the chestnut thread on the chestnut, so it's called tonal and tone personalization. Looks really, really nice. You have a pocket right here on the front to store things, and you have that zipper closure all the way around the edge. So when you open it up, you have a mesh pocket right here on the front, or on the inside, and I have like some essential oils in here, but you guys can just kind of see how much it can hold. And then I'm going to flip it over right here, and you have 2 elastic pockets, and then you have these little elastic bands to store things like maybe razors or things like that, deodorant, really whatever you want to keep in here. So this is called the organizing zip case. And the last Hostess exclusive is actually a mystery bundle. So it is $75 worth of product. You don't know what it's going to be. I don't know what it's going to be until you get it. And they have been really, really nice lately. I mean, I have been super impressed with those. So if you want to choose, some people just love a surprise. So if you want to mix it up a little bit and get that mystery Hostess bundle, then you definitely can. So I hope that you will consider hosting with me this winter and get your hands on some of these Hostess exclusives, because they will probably be going away in our next catalog. So thank you guys so much for allowing me to be in front of you and share products with you guys. If you are interested in hosting, I would love to talk to you about that and get your party on my calendar. So please either comment below or reach out to me on on Facebook, send me a personal message. I will link below how to get a hold of me on Facebook. And then if you do request to join my customer group, just know that I'm going to send you a private message. So try to send me, make sure that you open up your private messages so you don't miss that message, because if we're not friends, you may not see that message. But anyways, I hope that you will consider hosting with me so we can get some of those items that are on your wish list for free or for discount, because that's really the way to go with 31, is to host a party. So thanks so much, guys, for allowing me to chat with you and to be in front of you and and sharing me with your friends and your family. I'm truly grateful because, like I said, it just keeps my business going. So thanks again, guys. Have a great day.